Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. Before we start the reading, Sagittarius, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lot of happiness, success and prosperity in our life, Sagittarius. So let's start the reading. For your daily energies, Sagittarius, we are picking few cards. For your relationship and career, we'll be picking more cards. So this is for your career situation, Sagittarius, and this is for your relationship. Let's start with the daily reading first. Sagittarius, it's Prince of Suns in reverse, Fortitude in reverse, and Two of Suns. So these cards may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation, Sagittarius. So in your situation today, guys, you are quite impatient. You just want to progress towards something, or you are impatient about how things are going. You just want to grab some opportunities or go choose something for yourself, maybe. But right now you are afraid of something. Maybe you have to you are trying your level best, maybe trying to find that way through in some situation. Something is worrying you, stressing you a lot, maybe, and you are not able to see what is the right action, what is the truth in that situation, guys. So you have some doubts about something. It may be something to do in your career or personal life situation, guys. So some kind of doubts and confusion, you don't know which way to go, and you are quite emotional also. You are angry with some people for doing things in a particular way. So something is stressing you today, Sagittarius. And maybe for some of you, there is a person, someone trying to dominate your actions, trying to control you, giving you lots of suggestions which way to go, what you need to do. But I also see that again, this person may be doing that because they have that true concern on you, guys. That may be the reason. So, and also I see that though for some of you, in your position today, you may be in a very good position in your career and personal life, but still you don't find that happiness, that satisfaction, contentment. That may be because of that you are quite impulsive, you become angry all of a sudden, or it may be because of some people fighting with you, not listening to you, quarreling with you. So, or you may want people to listen to you, listen to your guidance always, and you don't give them the opportunity to think for themselves, or you don't listen to them. So again, that again may be stressing you, people not listening to you, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. It's Seven of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your situation today, guys, you are having some doubts about something. You are having some confusions, maybe some path you have chosen for yourself. You don't know which way to go, and you are anxious and about that outcome. You have some doubts and you fear that result, whatever may come your way, guys. So that is what I see with this card. Let us see what is the card for your Devil. So with this card, in this relationship with this person, you may be having some kind of an addiction, guys. Something is maybe you are just in this connection to have that for the physical aspect of this connection, for that lust, to satisfy your lust and whatever fantasies you are having, but not for this true meaningful connection with that person. You just don't want that understanding. You are here just to have fun with this person, or this may be their energy towards you, guys. So it may be this person is thinking of you this way, or you are thinking of them this way. Or maybe for some of you, you are simply having some kind of addictions, maybe, guys, some bad behaviors. So you need to go for that moderation, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.